You all know what we are going through. You all know the pressure that this government has faced, not as a result of its own fault. But the good thing is, whether you take it 1 year, whether you take it 3 years, whether you take it 3 months, what we have done today is display to the world that we know what we are doing and we are ready and prepared for the task of governance. Let me thank every one of you for your support. While you give us support, conduct yourself very well. Let me also say this here. When we left Aleto the other day, some people went there and attacked our people. There's no need for it. Nobody is a monopoly or has monopoly of violence. I should be the one who will even come and shout that I will do this, I will do that. But I don't need to do that because both sides belong to me. So I'm advising those people who call themselves local government chairmen. You have a few days in office. Please conduct yourself. Politics will come, politics will go. We will still live our lives. Let anybody not deceive you. If you deliberately hurt anybody in the course of maybe expressing your useless support, nobody will forgive you. You will pay for it. So I'm begging everyone, please conduct yourself. As a matter of fact, I'm the one that is most hit, abused. Mumu governor, we don't know what to do with power, is it not? Have I said anything? And so please, just endure. Until when you finish, you go your way. I don't want any trouble. I don't want anything that will bring any problem in this state. I know what they want to do, but we will not give them the opportunity. We have made our promise to our leader, who happens to be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that will take the path of peace. And that is the path we're taking. We'll continue to take that path. Don't mind what they say. Don't mind what they do. Peace remains the path. While taking the path of that peace does not mean we'll have to see, or let me describe it this way. We turn to a tree that will just stand and see somebody coming to chop it down. No. We need to also protect ourselves.